Everything, but what I told him I didn't like.
Come on, we gotta go.
What I didn't like.
This car was on high speed last night. I let my cousin hold it.
What?
My cousin.
Cousin did what?
They been looking for this car since last night.
This car?
Yeah.
Who?
The police.
Why?
Cause my cousin got a warrant. He talking about he sent him on a high speed. Left all this junk in my car. All this dope.
Well, why you riding around with the shit in the
Car
car?
forgot it was back. I just looked back now.
Oh shit! Let me out of this motherfucker. I can walk. Cause I know damn well you ain't riding right here. What the fuck wrong with you?
They coming, Grandma. They coming.
Ah, shit, no they ain't. Let me out.
I can't get out of jail, man.
Throw it out the window. Throw it out the window. Throw it out the window.
I did.
You ain't throw that nowhere.
I did. I just threw it out.
Where? That window down.
Oh, John. They coming, Grandma.